Hi everybody, I am Jennifer, nutritionist fan, and I'm glad to see you again. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel as encouragement. Okay, today we're going to take a quick look at the best diets for you. With so many diets out there, choosing one that's effective, sustainable, and easy to follow can be challenging. For men in particular, selecting a diet tailored to their specific needs can be difficult. In fact, the nutritional needs of men can vary quite a bit depending on factors like their age, fitness goals, and health concerns. The diets featured in this article were selected based on the following criteria: nutritionally balanced. Diets are rich in important nutrients and contain a good mix of proteins, carbs, and healthy fats. Easy to follow. Clear guidelines are provided, and diets are simple and straightforward, flexible. Plans can be easily adapted to fit your lifestyle and personal preferences. Sustainable. Diets are not overly restrictive and can be followed long-term. Evidence-based. Research is available to support the purported health benefits of the diet. LBW, formerly known as Weight Watchers, is a popular point-based weight loss program aimed at promoting healthy eating habits. Each food is assigned a specific number of smart points, which is determined based on its nutritional value. Members are also assigned a daily budget of smart points, based on factors like their height, weight, and activity level. WW is one of the most flexible commercial weight loss programs available. No foods are completely off limits, and you can still enjoy many of your favorite foods, as long as they fit within your daily smart points budget. Plus, research shows that it can be effective for long-term weight loss. According to one review of 39 studies, participants who followed W for 12 months achieved at least 2.6% more weight loss, compared with both a control group and those who received basic nutritional education. The paleo diet is designed to mimic the eating patterns of ancient hunter-gatherer societies. Minimally processed ingredients, including fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, and poultry, are encouraged. Meanwhile, foods like grains, legumes, dairy products, and added sugars are restricted. Paleo diets are often recommended for those hoping to fuel muscle growth. This is because many foods encouraged on the diet are high in protein, which can help increase muscle mass when paired with resistance training. What's more, studies show that the paleo diet can help improve body composition by decreasing body fat, reducing belly fat, and increasing weight loss. For a simple guide to help get you started on the paleo diet, check out the Paleo Diet: Lose Weight and Get Healthy by Eating the Foods You Were Designed to Eat, which provides in-depth information about how the diet works. Shop for the Paleo Diet: Lose Weight and Get Healthy by Eating the Foods You Were Designed to Eat online. This is the end of this video, and thank you for watching. If you found this useful, kindly subscribe to our channel to encourage me. For any other subject you want to see, just put your inquiry in the comment, and we will be back to you sooner. Bye, and see you in the next videos.